Hello guys, welcome and welcome back to Rukias kitchen. Today I'll be showing you how to bake and decorate a cake without oven. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please kindly do so you don't get to miss any of my videos each and every week. Then stay tuned and enjoy my recipe. On today's ingredients, you're going to need 1 cup of milk. You're also going to need a half a cup of condensed milk, a half a cup of oil, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, a half a teaspoon of baking soda, 1.5 cup of self-rising flour. This is a flour that contains baking powder already. You're also going to need 1 cup of icing sugar, and lastly 4 tablespoons of cocoa powder. In a medium-large bowl, start by adding a half a cup of condensed milk and add 1 cup of icing sugar, and mix the 2 ingredients very well, followed by a half a cup of cooking oil, and give a quick mix. Then you're going to add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract and mix everything well and nice. Using a medium sieve, you're going to add 1.5 cup of self-rising flour, followed by 4 tablespoons of cocoa powder and a half a teaspoon of baking soda, and sieve in the bowl to avoid any large particles entering into the batter. Once you have sieved the flour, you're going to mix everything well. Then you're going to pour 1 cup of milk and continue mixing till everything is well combined. Your batter mixture has to look like this. Then your batter mixture is ready to be baked in the pan. Afterwards, not forgetting, you have to divide the batter into 3 portions as you can see in the video. Afterwards, we are going to bake our cake. In a non-stick pan, apply some oil, then pour one of the portion, and cook in a medium heat to avoid the cake from sticking at the bottom. Once your cake has cooked on both sides evenly like this, then your cake is ready, and continue with the other 2 portions like this. Then the next step, you're going to make our cream. Ingredients, you're going to need 500 ml of whipping cream, 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder, and lastly a half a cup of icing sugar. Take a medium bowl, pour the whipping cream and the icing sugar. Then you're going to take an electric hand mixer and mix the 2 ingredients till it becomes thick. Make sure when you're mixing the 2 ingredients, start mixing on a low speed going on a higher speed. When your whipping cream starts to becoming thick, add 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder and continue mixing till the whipping cream becomes more thicker. After about 3 to 4 minutes, your whipping cream should be thick like this. Then your whipping cream is ready. Before decorating the cake, using a cutter or anything that's round, we're going to cut the cakes one by one to make the cakes equal in size. After cutting the cakes to be equal in size, it's high time to decorate our cake. I'm going to place a paper at the bottom, or you can place a foil paper, and put a small amount of cream, and then place the cake at the top. Then apply some syrup so that the cake can stick nicely. And add more cream and spread it around as you can see in the video and place another cake at the top. Repeat the same process till you're done with the other cakes. Once you're done attaching all the cakes, add more cream and spread it around the cake evenly as you can see in the video, or you can decorate your cake anyhow you like. I'm really sorry I couldn't able to film the video till the end because my battery went low, and as you can see in the video, lastly I garnished my cake with some grated chocolates, and I've cut a piece so you can able to see how the inside layer looks. Like, this cake was so tasty. I'm going to dig in the cake. Like, look how soft the cake looks. Like, this cake was so tasty. And enjoy your cake with a cup of tea. Thank you for watching my video and hope you loved it. And if you want to see other recipes, I'll put the links in the description box. And if you have any questions, you can comment down below, or you can follow me on my social media, Facebook and Instagram, for further questions. And thank you once again. Bye bye.